playing? What are you doing, Wolfgar? Huh? Where'd Willow go? Where did she go? I see the top of your hat. There she is. Hi. What you doing, Wolfgar? You gonna throw some snow for Wolfgar? Throw some snow. You want your shovel? Alright. Climb out and get it. Can you climb out your steps? Good job. Going down. Should I come check it out? Okay.